Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
Hey YouTubers, welcome back to our channel Tool Time with J4 and J5.
Boom! Bang! Firepower!
Stop cornering around that, let's get to it.
Cornering around, well today we are building a cornhole set. Why don't we open it up and see what we're working with?
Okay. And when it gets hammering, make sure you cover your ears because it's going to be really loud.
So pretty cool. Today we're doing that Lowe's Build and Grow theme that we've been doing, and today it's a cornhole set. Let's unpack our materials. Joseph's got his hammer out and his goggles on. Let's see what we're working with. Looks like we've got our cornhole board. We've got various sizes of wood that we'll be working with, and cool, Joseph, it even comes with our very own bags to toss. The blue bags for the blue team and the red bags for the red team.
I'm gonna get one.
We're gonna have to share. And then our bag of nails, various sizes. So let's get started, sir. First up, we're going to clear off all of this.
Yes.
And we are going to start off with our 2 pieces of wood. Let me see.
Woody.
Here we go. One and
Oh,
one.
it reminds me
One
of the
Here we
movie
go.
Woody.
That's right. Now keep in mind we've got multiple nail sizes, some big, some small.
Yep.
The big ones are helping the board
Too huge.
angle the legs out.
Too huge.
So here we go, Joseph. Grab your hammer. You're going to put the first nails in. Here we go.
Bang, bang.
Go ahead, let's connect the first 2.
Move your hands.
You got it, buddy. Alright, for this next piece, we are going to be taking our large, and we're going 2 nails
Like this?
into this side like this. 1, 2, and we're going to be putting it
Buckle my shoe.
3, 4.
Knock on the door.
Shut the door.
Shut the door. 5, 6. Pick up 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Alright, see if you can hit them both at the same time. Whoa! Awesome! Let's hit it with the firepower. Get back up here. Ready? Boom! Bang! Firepower. Alright, next up, you hit it. Hold on, hold on. Joseph's using a new hammer called one of the pieces for this project. Show them what you got.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, those are my ice pack on standby.
And get a finger license plate. Or get finger insurance.
Finger insurance. That's what we need. Let me see what we got. Yeah, you're missing the hole a little bit here. Let me start it up, Joseph. And we're in.
And we're inside the
And we
airport.
are in.
The airport.
Let's close off the box, and we're almost done with the base. Let me get 2 more nails.
I'm going to use this as my hammer.
We need to build the rest of the pieces. Oh. Easy, easy, easy. 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 Not a race. It is definitely not a race,
other
so we're going
side.
to want to be careful, because after we're done building, we're going to want to play with it. Easy. Go ahead, take your time. Thank you.
Everything went boom.
We've got ourselves a little
Boom.
hanger, but not anymore. Okay, we've got 2 more steps left.
Yay!
2 more steps left. Now we're at the point where we're going to nail on the top. So let's go ahead and get started.
Everyone's gonna love this video. It's so cool.
Up from the bottom. So let me get the small nails. 1, 2. Music provided by Isabella. Okay. Yeah, same thing. Okay, here we go. We're going down. We're gonna do one side and then
Going down.
and then okay.
Going
Okay.
down.
All right.
Going down.
Let me tack these in for you, and then you can
Going
do the
down.
others. Right in the middle, so the users can see. One nail.
It's horrible.
All right, 2 nails. Oh, that's going in quick. Like rapid fire. Hold on, let me get the daddy hammer. Ready? Now you see it. Now you
feel
don't.
it.
Give it a blow. All right, hit the last one in, and let's keep going. Like a rapid fire.
Please.
I got it. Ready? We want to make sure the surface is flat because we're going to be throwing the bean bags up against this. So we have right now our almost completed set. All we have to do is build out the legs. You want to give it a test throw? Let's see if the hole works. Ready? Okay. Hit the board this time. Ready? High five. That's 1 point for the red team. Alright, now all we have left to do, Joseph, is make the legs to hold it up like this, and then our game begins. So, step 1. We've got a piece in the middle, check. We've got the piece on the side, check. Now, these are little pieces, so I'm gonna hope we're shooting for the nails and not Daddy's knuckles, okay? Please. Please hit the nails. Okay, ready? Here we go.
Hi.
Easy, please.
Ah! Sorry.
Held it with my good hand. Held it with my good hand. Alright, here we go. Next leg. Okay.
I don't think you have to hold this leg.
No, you don't think I should hold it?
No.
It'll hold itself. Hold on. I gotta make sure the angles are right on the legs. Otherwise, it's not gonna stay up. Here we go. Here we go, my boy. You were doing so good. You were doing so good. I'm not even gonna be able to play cornhole. See, you're doing it for strategy. You don't want Daddy to win, so you're gonna take out his fingers.
Yeah.
Blue team. If you're with me on the blue team, leave a comment. Here we go. Now this just goes in like this, and then it kicks up. So now we've got our long nails.
Long nails.
Our long nails.
This go like this, and then boom, boom. Hold on, I'm gonna do something. Boom.
Alright, come on. Let's finish this build. So in order for it to stand up this way, there we go. We need it to go this way. And our first nail
I have no idea where it goes.
gets driven in the side right about here. Alright, Joseph, finish off our
We're back,
our stand.
and we're here. And we're hammering in the side of
the cornhole board.
the cornhole board.
Our tabletop cornhole board. So there it is. Why don't you show the audience what we have?
Bam, 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 bam.
Alright, keep it flipped up.
Boom, boom.
So let's get a game going. First one to make 2 bags in wins. So let's set up the board right here. Oh, I have a feeling these are going right off the table. All right, I'm on the blue team. Joseph's on the red team.
You go first because the colors well.
But if I go first, I'm gonna win. Take off these glasses so you can see better. Here we go. This one's for the blue team.
I see the red in the middle.
We can't pass this line. Ready?
Oh, you're passing it. Ha ha ha.
Here it goes. Ready? 1, 2. Whoosh! I don't know, Joseph. Now you gotta go. Ready? What? Nice shot. You want to throw them at the same time? Let's throw them on the same time. Ready? On 3. 1.
No, you go first.
No, let's do it at the same time. And whoever makes it in on the same time wins.
I'll go first.
All right. Okay. Oh! Yeah, throw mine. That was a lot of fun. Let's get best of 2. So anyway, guys, thanks for coming by. We appreciate you on Tool Time with J4
and J5.